Hello students, hope all of you are doing fine. Now today we will start new chapter, that is chapter 8, solid, liquid and gases. In this chapter the topics covered are what is matter, states of matter, changing states of matter and solution, solvent and solute. Now in first part of the video we will cover the topic what is matter and states of matter, and in the second part of the video we will cover the topics like changing states of matter, solution, solvent and solute. So what is matter? Matter is defined as anything that has mass and occupies space. If we look around ourselves, all the living things which we can see, such as animals, birds, and plants, and non living things such as ball, book, wood, water, and air, are made of matter. They have weight and they take some space. Matter is made up of very tiny particles. These tiny particles are much smaller than a grain of sand. So, matter can be defined as everything which has weight and occupies space. Suppose if we are taking a chalk piece and we are crushing it, many small particles is seen. That small particles or tiny particles are known as molecules. The molecules of different substances are different from each other. States of matter. Matter exists as solid, liquid or gas. Matter depends upon the way the tiny particles are arranged in it. Now solid. Tables, chairs, toys, books, pencils, spoons and paper are all examples of solid. In solid, the molecules are very closely packed. Molecules are arranged in a regular way and strong forces attract particles toward each other. Solid can vibrate but cannot move around. And basic properties of solid are they are having fixed shape and size, they cannot flow, they are easy to hold, and they can be cut into any shapes and sizes. Example: chalk, table, chair, books, pencil, etc. Liquid. Water, milk and juices are liquids. You cannot carry a liquid directly in your hand like you carry a solid. You need a bowl or a bottle. Pour a liquid in a container such as a glass. What shape does the liquid take? It takes the shape of the glass. Now pour it in bowl. Does it now take the shape of the bowl? Yes. But the volume of liquid does not change. Whatever the shape of container is, it is poured into. So we can say a liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. In liquid, the molecules are not packed as close together as they are in solid. They can move around freely. This is why liquids can flow. The properties what we see in liquids are the molecules are very loosely packed. They are arranged in a random way. They can move around each other. The force of attraction is strong to hold the particle close, and the basic properties of liquid is liquid does not have fixed shape, they have fixed volume, they flow and take the shape of the container into which they are poured. They flow from higher level to lower level, and examples are water, oil, juice, etc. Gases. Air is a gas. The molecules in a gas are far away from each other. They move around freely in the space available to them. A gas does not have a definite shape. Molecules of a gas can be squeezed into a small container or spread out in a big container. When you blow air in a balloon, the air is squeezed into the balloon. When you let it out, it spreads all over the room. It now occupies a larger volume. So, a gas does not have a definite volume. So, the property of gas we can say is the molecule in gases are very loosely packed and can occupy the whole space. It is arranged in a random way. The basic property, they do not have a definite shape and volume. They are invisible. They spread out to fill up all the space available. An example is air, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc.